What's going on, everyone? It's Lee here, the rental guy from the rental shop. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday, but I feel like it's my birthday because this is what I got. As you all may know, I have a tent rental business, and inside my tent rental business, I'm constantly trying to make things better so I can make life easier. I've done this a few times, leveling up from my garage to my middle warehouse to this warehouse. My vehicles from the minivan, adding on this van, and then adding the box trucks on. Every step of the way has been a delicious journey, and my journey today brings me to this guy right here. And what this is a little mini skid steer. And what I'm going to be able to do with this is hopefully hoist tents up. Anyways, this off-season, I had the chance to meet a bunch of other rental company owners and be able to have multiple chats with them. I met Ty, Brenton, Sheldon, Les, I knew Les already, and more. And they taught me things. And there was one reoccurring theme with a lot of them that I gathered, and they said, get a tent ox. And me, being the cheap do-it-yourselfer, I thought, hey, I am not going to get a tent ox. And I'm going to get the dolly from Magliner and do the toll and push up the pole tents with the Magliner dolly. But this was the only video that I could find for it, and it looked like it took just as many guys as a winch. So someone told me get the winch, so I got the winch. But it still wasn't satisfying enough until the auction came up and showed me this bad boy. Right here, which is the skid steer. That is my version of the tent ox, because if you know, the tent ox is a lot of money, and these little skid steers are not as much. Well, I'm firing up this bad boy here. I've got my buddy Drew. He knows things that I don't know, and he's gonna help me with this. I don't have a name for it yet. I'm going to measure this because I've got someone who's going to build me a push pocket for it. And let's get it going. Got LED lights. This thing is brand new, never been used, so I have to fill it full of hydraulic fluid. And these are the operation of it. Recording. All right, Let's take it for a rip here. Let's see if we can drive it straight off, and I guess I should need a helmet. Turn the witch. Okay. Oh yeah, battery on.
Whoa.
Quick release, so I think that just let's turn that throttle right down. I think it runs pretty good, hey?
Oh, it sounds good.
So this little end piece right here, I'm getting a fitting made, so instead of the bucket right here, it's going to have a tent pole push to like that, and it'll push the tent poles up at tent installs. Eventually I want to get a jackhammer on the end there and all the other pieces. Guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope it inspired you in some way. If it did, check out some of my other videos. I've got some pretty cool vlogs. We'll see you on the next one, and as always, you stay classy.